So here we have taken this plastic ball and we are wrapping it up with this red strip in this way, as you can see on the bottom side. Now using this black sheet to make the face and putting it up in this way so it will look like a bug, and putting the light into it. In the next we are using here a oval shape of a black sheet to make the penguin holding the spoon in its front. So it's ready. In the next we are using here this sheet, a long sheet, to making the plate, making more fold like that and pasting it up all together. Now using this kind of color and with the help of finger we are just putting it up on the white sheet, making this cute bird. So this is look like a peacock, making more like that, and it's ready. In the next we are using here this kind of sheet which is having a triangular shape and pasting it up so it will shape like a cone. Now using this plastic and rolling it up like this and wrapping the white sheet, you will get ice cream cone is ready. In the next we are using here the small bottle and wrapping it up with the light blue sheet in this way, using these thread woolen and putting the straw into it so it will look like a leg and the hand of the cartoon, making its face, using the lid to make its cap, and it's ready. In the next we are using here this bottle and holding the balloon to fill this leaf, a real leaf, into it, and after this done and we are filled it with the water, keep it into the fridge so you will get your result. Amazingly done. Let's proceed to the next. So here we have taken a egg tray and filling with the different color, and after this done making a face on the front, a smiley face like that, and putting its antennae on its head, so a caterpillar is ready. In the next we have taken a one-sided color sheet, so it's a basically pink and white sheet, making a fold like this, making the same on the other side, making a fold on the corner, downward side, same on the other side, making a space with the help of finger in between. This kind of lotus is ready. So in the next we are using here a plastic glove, filling the red color on the each finger, using the thumb with the orange, making the eyes, and using this thermocol glass and making the hole so you will get this interesting thing is ready. So it's a cock. In the next we are using here this kind of sheet and folding it up, making it cut on the downward side, using this green sheet to make the stem, and now making the face so it's a beautiful broom is ready. In the next we are using here a straw and making a cut in this way, so you just need to do it carefully like this. Now inserting the rest of the piece into it, this moving insect is ready, that is moving on the leaf. In the next we are going to use this eggshell. So firstly we just need to make it blank, and now making its face, put it into the light, how it is interestingly work. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.